I'm at the Orland Park Nature Preserve. This is like a sanctuary for wildlife in Orland Park. And you see, it's very beautiful. There's a lot of life teeming here. There's a family of ducks over there, and there's an egret over there. So I think they developed this. Took them a few years to develop it, but it doesn't seem to be open. See that building over there? It's closed. I don't know what that is for. Maybe it's a restroom. But this is nice. I ride my bike here sometimes. It's very scenic. A lot to see. Very nice. And we got these telescopes here to look. But anyway, that's it. Here's the resource center, the Nature Resource Center. Doesn't seem to be open. And they just built this not too long ago. And it's really nicely built. I like the way they I like what they did on the plans, the setup, landscaping. Very nice. And it's some very beautiful plants. And there's a little riverbed over here. Let me show you. Here's the man-made riverbed. There's Trixie walking across. It's dry, but you can see it's done really well. They took a lot of very followed every detail. And this is the courtyard, I guess, where they have concert or lectures. And I'll show you the back of the building. Here's the back. There's some people here, so I'm not going to bother them. But here's the back. And up there is another path. It takes you up to the road. You can view the road. Here's the final viewing place. You can watch the road. I don't know. You can watch cars go by, or you can watch that lake across the street. This is LaGrange Road, by the way. Orland Park, Illinois. Beautiful Orland Park. And that's that building. Okay, that concludes this